over 30 years of experience, Play-Go has the capability of designing and manufacturing non-electric and electric plastic toys with a capacity of over 2,000 employees. Now these toys are exported in over 80 countries worldwide. Now you can see some of the toys that they have here. Like you have the Baby Explorer table, the Little Lion Activity Walker, these little pop-up things here, the Treetop Marble Fun. You can see how the children are really enjoying themselves, interacting with the marble runaway tiers and being very involved in the process with enjoying the toys. Very cognitive ability for the children. And back here you have very small toys, but yet very useful, like for the finger puppet. Oh, the finger puppet over here on the wall, you can see those very good. Once you come around, the musical keyboard, great product. If you like moving around, playing your own, dance to your own music, you know, help you to dance to your own music. Also have the 4-in-1 mechanic shop. And here, speaking of music, you got the drums, you got the guitars, you got the trumpet. As you can see, they have the Play-Go certificates here, Enterprise Limited. They have the Golden Security Verification, as well as the Certified Registration. They also have here a member of the China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. They're a great member. They have a Strategic Partner Award in 2018. So these are some of the awards that they have received thus far, and they continue to receive awards throughout their 30-year history. Now, here we are in the manufacturing part of Play-Go's factory. You can see the employees are putting together the plastic toys. They take a real care to make sure that everything is properly assembled, so to make sure the good quality product is going out. They'll have maybe 50 employees in this location right now, but it's not the only place that they have where they manufacture and assemble their products. They have both of the areas. So you can see where they're doing a great job in maintaining the quality. Okay, as part of the Certified initiative, we're now inside Play-Go's Quality Laboratory Testing Center. Here you have the drop test, where they drop the toy and see if there's any cracks on the bottom to make sure that it's still intact. It's not that the pieces come out, it's just that make sure the toys are intact. And here, on this other part here, we have the tense test. And what he's doing, he's testing and making sure that the tension of the item, the toy, can have a certain amount of strength before it breaks. So that's another test that they conduct here. Further down here, we're going to go down here where they do another test here. And this test, this is a very good laboratory that they do. This test right here is testing the functionality of the toy, making sure that the toy works properly. So this is very good testing right here that they conduct. And finally, we're over here, and this is the life cycle test. They're testing to see how long the life cycle of the toy is before it's no longer usable. So there's another testing. Again, we're inside the laboratory of the QC of Play-Go as part of their Certified Initiative program. The design team area is where they put all the designs together, and they have a team back here, so we're gonna be kind of quiet and not so noisy because they're working very good here. So this is the design team area where they design all their products.